In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email in Slack. So if you have a new email that you want to switch to, or you no longer want to use the current email, it is pretty much simple. You can change this in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to do this, go ahead and log into your Slack account and then head over to your workspace name, and you can see mine is here. And then from here, look for tools and settings, and then under tools and settings, go under settings and then choose workspace settings. Now this will go ahead and open a new tab, and under this, go ahead and click on account profile. Now here we have quite a number of options or changes you can make on your account. Under it, we have this option to change your email. So under email address, you'll be able to see your current email here. To change it, go ahead and click on expand. And now here, go ahead and enter your current password and then enter your new email that you want to switch to. Once you're done, now click on update, and this will go ahead and change your email to the new one. So that's how you can change your email in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.